isn't loving you. It's that I would still do anything for you without hesitation.
I don't know how to tell you no. I don't know how to choose an action that might hurt you, even when staying is what keeps hurting me.
I can't bring myself to fully walk away, yet every time you reach out,
every favor, every question, it reopens the same wound.
the feeling of not being enough, the mistrust that was created, the pain I keep carrying quietly. And the truth is, I don't know where to go from here. I only want you, and everything else feels impossible to imagine. We can't
Be friends and truly move on. I know that, but I also can't let you go.
and you won't go either. I know I shouldn't respond. I know I should let you turn to the life you chose, to the person you chose. But still, without hesitation, I show up.
And that's the hardest realization of all.
I'm not strong enough yet to cut you off completely, but I'm strong enough to know I can't stay. Because staying means being used. Staying means being an option. And loving someone should never cost me my self-respect.